In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp. Quick guide. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform that helps you organize your work, track progress, and collaborate without bouncing between apps. If you've been looking for a simple, reliable way to keep projects moving and your team aligned, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through setting up your workspace, creating tasks, adjusting statuses, using subtasks and favorites, assigning work, grouping tasks, setting due dates and times, applying priorities and estimates, using tags and comments, and then we'll round out with powerful productivity features like time tracking, automations, dashboards, goals, reports, and notifications. By the end, you'll be able to build a workflow that saves time and keeps everything visible and under control. Let's begin from square one. After you sign up, create a workspace for your projects. Think of the workspace as your home base. Inside it, you'll organize work with spaces, folders, and lists. A space is usually a major function like sales, marketing, or operations. Inside a space, folders can group related initiatives. Then, inside each folder, lists hold the actual tasks. This structure is flexible, so use it to mirror how you naturally think about your work. Once you've got the structure in place, choose the view that matches how you like to work. List view is great for detail-oriented planning and quick edits. Board view is Kanban style, perfect for dragging tasks between stages. Calendar view lets you see dates at a glance. You can switch between views anytime, so you're never locked into one perspective. Now, let's step into a list and add a task. Open a list where you want to track your work, like a sales pipeline or a project backlog. Click Add Task. Give the task a clear title that tells you exactly what needs to be done. Add a short description if the task has context your future self or your teammates will need. Before you save, consider assigning it to the person responsible, setting a due date, and choosing a priority. These fields help you keep everything flowing without scrambling later. When you're happy with the basics, click Save. Just like that, you've created a task that's part of a system you can trust. As the work progresses, you'll want to update the